Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a geometric triangle pattern in Affinity. So let's get started. I've already got my document here and I'm going to grab the shape tool and select the star tool. I'll draw a star, go to the context toolbar and change the points to 3. So we have a 3-pointed star. Then I'll align it to center, zoom in, and I'll drag this orange handle to narrow down the arms. After that, I'm going to select the pen tool, make sure the snapping tool is turned on, and now I'll place the cursor on this point and draw a triangle surrounding the star. Next, I'm going to select both the star and triangle layers, select the Shape Builder tool, and make sure the action option is set to plus. Now I'll click these 3 sections between the star and the triangle to separate them into 3 shapes. From here, I'll select the Move tool, click this section, go to the Color panel, and select a color. I'll choose red. I'll click this one, and choose a darker red. Then this one, and select a slightly darker red. After that, I'll select the star, and I'm gonna fill it with a gradient color. So I'll grab the Fill tool, draw a gradient path from the center of the star to the point. And I'll change the gradient type to radial. Now I'll click this gradient stop and change it to yellow. Then this stop to red. I'll drag the midpoint marker a bit closer to the gradient stop at the center. Next, I'll grab the Move tool, drag to Select All, go to the Color panel, and click here to remove the stroke color. I'll go back to the Layers panel. Make sure all the layers are selected, right-click, and group them. Now I'm gonna change the height, but before that, I'll make sure the aspect ratio is locked. I'll change the height to 100 pixels. And our geometric triangle is done. Let me zoom out, and I'll drag the triangle to the top left. I'll change the background color to black. So I'll go to Pixel, and click New Fill Layer. I'll drag the fill layer and place it beneath the triangle. Then I'll change the color to black. I'll select the Move tool. Now I'll select the triangle. I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then go here to flip it vertically and bring it close to the right side of the original triangle. Then I'm going to select both triangles, press Ctrl J to duplicate, and drag it close to the right side of the original one. Next, I'll duplicate more by pressing Ctrl J until they reach the right side of the page. I'll select all of them, right-click on the layer, and group them. I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate, move them downward, and select Flip Vertical. Now I'll select all the triangles and press Enter to bring up the Move/Duplicate panel. Since the height of one row of the triangles is 100 pixels, then 2 rows are 200 pixels. So I'll change the vertical value to 200 pixels. I'll check Duplicate, and I'll slide the number of copies to duplicate. 5 is enough. And I'll click OK. Now I'll select all of them, right-click on the layers, and group them. Then scale them up to cover the whole page. And that's it. Our geometric triangle pattern is done. You can play with the colors to match your design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.